Hey y'all, how you doing today? Danna here, and I'm just gonna come in and tell y'all about a wicked good lunch that I'm gonna have today. I call it the Wicked Good Bagel. Wicked Good Bagel. Now you can put it on bread if you want to, but I'm gonna tell you something. It's a Wicked Good Bagel, and it's only got 4 ingredients. The 4 ingredients that you need is a bagel. You're going to need a good soft bagel, not the little bagels, the big bagels. This is lunch, okay? And y'all can make this when you don't want to turn on the stove. I'm telling y'all, I like to keep things in my arsenal that I don't have to cook, so occasionally I won't cook. I'll just pull some of this out, and my family loves it. Wicked Good Bagel. So here's a very soft bagel, okay? Nothing fancy, just a soft bagel. You're going to need some pimento cheese. Now y'all, I like the pimento cheese with jalapenos in it because that's how I roll. So get you some pimento cheese with jalapenos if you want it. If you don't, you can get the other kind. But anyway, this is really good with the jalapenos. And then you're going to need some black forest ham. Now y'all, black forest ham has all this flavor in it that we're gonna love and we're gonna enjoy, and it really helps the sandwich. So get you some black forest ham. And the last thing you're gonna need is one of my favorite Alabama items, and that's some Wickles. Now y'all, these are Wickle pickles. They're wickedly delicious is what they say, and this makes the sandwich. This is an Alabama-based company, and y'all know I'm from Alabama. They are wicked good, wickedly delicious, and that's what makes my sandwich over the top. Now let me tell y'all about how I came up with this sandwich. One time I was really busy. I needed to get some things out, and I needed something I could feed people fast, and I didn't have to cook a lot with it. So what I was doing was walking around the grocery store, and I came upon the black forest ham, and I thought, oh, black forest ham is so good. It's got these different spices in it, and it really tastes delicious. So I picked up me some black forest ham, and in my mind, I was like, I need some cheese with that. I'm needing something, some pickleish, some kind of pickle with it. So I went over to the cheese. I found the pimento cheese with jalapenos because that's how I roll. And I'm gonna tell y'all something. All of a sudden, it came to my mind, and you're gonna need some Wickles. And I went and found those Wickles, and I made this for my husband and myself, and y'all, it was like super good, and we made it off and on all week that week because it was so delicious we kept eating it. So I'm going to tell you, the other day my hubby said, hey, what about that Wicked Good Bagel? And I said, you know what, I'm going to go get us some stuff to make it, and I just want to share it with you. Now, I told you don't have to cook, you know, with this. You just buy these ingredients and keep them stocked so you've got them when you need it. If you're like me and love something that's really delicious and you don't have to cook, right now, y'all, give me a big old heart. Give me a heart. Give me a heart. So let's get those hearts going. Give me some hearts so I'll know you love stuff that we don't have to cook. And y'all, the best thing about this is it's so very delicious. Before I put this together, I'm just gonna do a little business, okay? Oh, look at all those hearts coming through. Great. I want to do a little business and say, number one, if you like these videos, please share this on your site. Share it with somebody. There's somebody out there who needs something really fast that's no cook. So y'all share it with them and say with love from Danna, okay? Another thing is, if you would like my cookbook, it is called Happiness is Homemade, y'all. And you can get it right on Amazon. So please share this with people who like to cook, because y'all, this is easy, good food with not a lot of ingredients that's gonna keep your family healthy and happy. So y'all, please share this. Now, to get my book, you can go to Amazon, and you can also get it in book form, hard copy form, or you can get it as an ebook. So if you like ebooks and you want it to come right to yourself today, you can get it on ebook. So anyway, we've done the business, y'all. Let's make something good to eat. Okay, I just bought some plain old bagels. I've got my Wickles. I've got my pimento cheese, and now we're gonna make it. I've got my ham. Now you just cut open your bagel like this. And the first thing I did was, let me move that out of the way. I got my pimento cheese. Now y'all look, I'm gonna eat fruit with this and not chips, so I'm gonna put a lot of pimento cheese because that's how I roll too. If I'm gonna eat something decadent, then I'll put some fruit with it when I'm eating it. So that's what I'm doing today. So anyway, here's some pimento cheese. We're just gonna spread it on there. And that's just not enough for Danna, so we're gonna put a little bit more. Oh, y'all, I'm gonna tell y'all something. Y'all are gonna love me when you get through eating this sandwich. I'm telling you, my husband loves me even more after I made it. Now, y'all, the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put on the ham. Now, on the ham, I fold mine because I have done it both ways and I've decided I like eating it better when it's folded. Okay? Folded it up. Now, you know, if you want to, and I'm gonna tell you, I advise this. So when I say no cooking, I'm not counting 30 seconds in the microwave, but we're gonna put this in the microwave now, and it's gonna heat up the bread, and it's gonna heat up the sandwich, the cheese, and here we go. So, how are y'all doing? Are y'all ready for a good weekend? Y'all know this sandwich right here, this Wicked Good Bagel, it will go with you to the lake. It will go with you when your kids are at the park or things like that. Or if you just need to feed somebody on the go, it's a really good sandwich to have around. Let me see how it's doing down here. Okay, just a few more seconds and then we're gonna be good. And y'all heating up that pimento cheese just makes it a little gooey, which I like. Now, if you like yours not gooey like that, you don't have to heat it. All right, y'all, here we go. Okie dokie. So I've got this made, and now we've got to pull out the thing that brings it over the top, and that is the Wickles. Now, y'all, ever since I took my first bite of Wickles, I have really loved them. And I'm just gonna tell you that they're hot slightly, so they're not gonna hurt you if you don't like hot stuff. They're slightly hot, they're sweet, and they're tart. And they're even better on a sandwich. So I'm gonna put that one on there, and I'm loading this up. Now see, I put the Wickles all over the top of that ham. Now my husband likes his on top of the pimento cheese. So you can decide where you want yours. But I'm gonna tell y'all something. 4 ingredients, and I'm gonna be one happy camper in just a minute eating this dish. And see, I told you what I'm gonna do is put it on my pretty plate here. And I've got some watermelon, cause y'all, we gotta take advantage of stuff that's in season. So I've got my watermelon, and I'm gonna put this right here. Y'all, it's warm, it feels so good. Before I take a bite though, I'm gonna tell you what I always tell you. The good Lord loves you, and he really does. And I love you too. So y'all go have a good day. But wait, let's see how the sandwich is, okay? Give me a second, y'all. Thank you, Lord, for this sandwich. All right, here we go. The saltiness of that ham, the creaminess of that pimento cheese, and those Wickles make this a wickedly good bagel. And y'all go try this. You're gonna love it. If you try it, let me know. One more bite, just one. This makes me happy. Makes me happy. All I had to do is pop it in the microwave for 30 seconds. 4 ingredients, and we've made everybody happy. And I'm gonna eat it with a bunch of watermelon. It just doesn't get any better than this, y'all. Go get you some, okay? Remember, Wickles, pimento cheese with jalapenos, ham, blackforest ham, and big fluffy bagels. All right. One piece of business, and then I'll let you go. Remember to share this video and say, with love from Danna. Share it with your friends because somebody needs it. And y'all remember, the good Lord loves you. And if you don't know how to pray, or if you want to look at my video, on mine and my brother's video on how to pray, go to YouTube, because I'm on YouTube. Go to YouTube and look under my list called Encouragement, and it's called What a Friend, okay? What a Friend. You can get on there and look about that. Okay, the good Lord loves you and I love you too. Y'all have a good one, and I'll be talking to you later. Bye. Love you.